Hey guys, my name is Alex, and today I'm gonna give you a video of my top five favorite YouTubers. My first favorite YouTuber was Jacksepticeye. He is one of the first YouTubers I watched. He inspired me to make this channel, so props to him. My second favorite YouTuber is Markiplier. Markiplier is so funny. He has helped me. And Septicplier for life. My third favorite YouTuber is the Gaming Lemon. Gaming Lemon's so funny. My favorite one of his videos is probably gonna be Fallout 4. His Fallout 4 video is so funny. Fourth favorite YouTuber is I don't know. Oh, it's PewDiePie. Yeah. PewDiePie is one of the tippity top YouTubers of. Yeah, he's one of the top YouTubers. So, he is great. My fifth favorite YouTuber is. I don't have a fifth favorite YouTuber, so I guess I only got four. So, if you guys have any YouTube channels, comment them down below, and I'll go check them out, and maybe you'll make one of the fifth spot. So, yeah. Stay awesome like me. Peace.